Hi guys, in this video we will see how to fix a Windows 11 widget not loading or widget not working on Windows 11 system. If you are also facing in your system Windows 11 widget not working, then here are the fixes. And the first one is, first check enabled or disabled your widget. Right click on start button and choose settings. Here from the left side of settings, go to personalization. Thereafter go to right side and scroll down and look for the option taskbar. Click on it, and here make sure that widget option is duly turned on. If you found it off mode, then turn on widget. Close the settings windows, and one more workaround. Right click on start button, choose run. Here type gpedit.msc and click on OK. This command will open local group policy editor in Windows 11 Home Edition only. Here from the left side of menu, under computer configuration, expand administrative templates, and here expand Windows components. Expand Windows components, and here you will find the option widget. Select it. Thereafter go to right side, and here you will find the option allow widgets. Open it, apply a double click on it, and enable, turn the toggle button on against enabled option. And finally click on apply and OK to save the changes from the bottom right corner. Thereafter restart your system, and definitely your widget will now work and appear. You can see bottom left corner widget is appear. If your problem is still widget not loading or working, then go to the next fixes. You must restart your system. Go to Windows search, and here type Microsoft Edge, because widget is directly dependent on Microsoft Edge browser linked with this. So make Microsoft Edge browser as your default browser. Click on three horizontal dot against top right corner and choose settings. Here from the top left corner, click on three horizontal line, and here choose default browser. Here click on make default. Make Microsoft Edge browser as your default browser. Click on make default. This will bring you on settings page, and here make Microsoft Edge your default browser. Click on set default. Close the windows and check whether your Windows 11 widget loading or working or not. If not, one more fixes. Right click on start button and choose device manager. Here go to your display adapter section or graphics. Expand display adapter section. Right click on your display adapter and choose update driver. How do you want to search for drivers? Choose search automatically for drivers. Update your graphics card driver. Restart your system and check whether your widget is working or not. If not, one more fixes. Right click on a start button and choose task manager. Restart your file explorer process. Under process, look for Windows Explorer or File Explorer. If not found, you may search in type in search field at the top of the page. Type Explorer. Windows Explorer appear. Select it, and from the top right corner click on restart task. And hopefully your widget will now work after restarting Windows Explorer. restart your system again and check whether your widget is working or not. If not, one more fixes. Close the task manager windows. You must restart your system, and after restarting, check whether your widget is working or not. If not, one more fixes. Right click on start button, choose settings. Here from the left side, go to accounts and make sure that you have successfully logged in with your Microsoft account. Here go to your info. And make sure that, in my case, sign in with a local account instead, means Microsoft account is duly logged in. If you find here sign in with your Microsoft account instead, then click on it and follow on screen instruction to complete the login process, and you will see your widget is successfully working in your system.